We human beings, the way we do things, the way we live, the way we are really like little children. A child does not know anything. If an adult observes the actions of a child, the way it plays and jumps around, its actions don't seem to serve much purpose. If our mind is untrained, it is like a child. We speak without awareness and act without wisdom. We may degenerate but not know it. A child is ignorant, and so it just plays as children do. Our ignorant mind is the same. That is why the Buddha taught us to train this mind of ours. Dhamma is something each one of us must do individually ourselves, for no one can do it for us. And we must travel along the proper path of morality, concentration, and wisdom until we find the blessings of purity, radiance, and peacefulness of mind that are the fruits of traveling the path. However, if one only knows knowledge of books, sermons, and sutras, that is only knowledge of the map or plans for the journey. Even 100 of lifetimes, one will never know purity, radiance, and peacefulness of mind.